Welcome to Tips in a Jiffy. When it comes to safe driving, a clear view of the road ahead is essential. Your wipers help keep your windshield free from rain, snow, and dirt, ensuring clear visibility. But like many other vehicle components, windshield wipers require regular maintenance. Over time, the rubber components of your wiper blades can break down, becoming stiff and brittle, making them prone to streaks and blurry spots, which can affect your ability to see the road ahead. How do you know when it's time for new wipers? Are you experiencing shattering or streaking? Or are the wiper frames damaged? Sun exposure can also lead to damage, especially in areas of extreme dry heat. At Jiffy Lube, we've got you covered. Our team will inspect your wiper blades for wear and damage and install new blades, ensuring longevity and clear visibility. Visit Jiffy Lube today for a wiper blade inspection and replacement so you can see the road ahead with confidence.